So guys, today we're right at Jambiani Maisha Pub, right at Zanzibar, Paje, and today's the end of Ramadan and the celebrations everywhere, man. And as you can see, like behind me, like cooking like a very nice, delicious foods, like street foods right here. You can see like there's some chips right here, so like some shikaki, man. So I would like to give it a first try.
Yeah, my name is Rashid. I'm here, Maisha Pabu place, Jambiani. You are welcome for when you come to for this Pabu. We have everything. Some now we prepare like that. So we have some fries and a beef and a chicken, and also we have some lot of meat.
Yeah, so guys, you can see like right at Maisha Pub, like they're selling very delicious, fast food right here, local fast food. You can see like there's some chips right here, some shikaki. Also, like if you want to add tomato sauce, pepper, chili, some kachumbari, it's all available. So guys, I'm gonna be having my breakfast for today right at Jambiani Maisha Pub right here, and I'll add some tomato sauce. Like it looks so delicious, man. And also we have like our mshikaki right here, very delicious. Like this is a chicken mshikaki. And delicious. And so guys, if you are visiting Jambiani in Zanzibar, Paje, you're gonna find like different kinds of local street foods, man. Like if you come to Maisha area, there's different kinds of street foods, local foods, like you can eat, you can try, man. Like homemade foods, very delicious. And so guys, if you want to join your brother in eating this amazing local food, make sure you subscribe and support your brother Elvis Dairy, the king of YouTubers. Amazing. And so guys, if you're visiting Tanzania, Zanzibar, make sure to try local foods, man. Make sure to try local foods, also like street foods, and you're gonna enjoy it, man. You're gonna enjoy it. Like since I came here, I've been eating like street foods, local foods, and also like they're very, different, and also like very unique.
Kwa kweli chakula hapa ni nzuri sana. Chakula nzuri hapa, kila kitu kipo, mshikaki nini. Karibuni sana, mkitaka mje hapa.
So guys, like it's raining outside and I've decided to come inside, and continue eating my delicious food right at Maisha Pub in Jambiani area, Paje.
Chef.
That's our chef right at Maisha Pub in Jambiani area, Zanzibar, Tanzania.
I'm a chef from Zanzibar. Maisha Pabu, Maisha Plus. I'm prepare everything.
Karibu maisha jambiani. Karibu maisha jambiani. Ndo maana ndo mpango mzima. Mtaki kwamba hoja hata kurekodiwa, lakini mimi nimekubali.
Unasema pale ndani unafanya show yako unapita hivi. Ano vipi? Wojenda aini baube wo aini. Womendi sweshu butai jong yao. Womendi sweshu butai jong yao. Womendi ai ching. Womendi ai ching nama jong yao.
I can sit here and film everybody here. Sit here. Just sit